Welcome to the Drexel University Library's EndNote Web tutorial. In this particular chapter, we'll be finalizing the document. As you can see, we have a sample paper with citations inserted and references at the very tail end of the sample. There's a chance you might need to do some extra configuration before you finalize the document, which is actually going to strip all of the EndNote markers from the Word document. So you always want to retain this and make sure you have it so you can go back and edit if you do need to insert other citations. So before I finalize this, I am going to just examine this quickly. In some cases, you might need to make some updates in regards to the citation style itself. You might notice some little errors and that sort of thing, so always double check that. But let me bring you through some of the mechanics here. When we are ready to finalize, one thing you might need to do is go into the bibliography section here. You can click on this icon. So in some cases, you might need to change your output style. You might need to play around with instant formatting. Or in the layout feature, one thing that's really nice here is we can change line spacing. So if I want to make this double spaced, yes, I can do that. Say OK. And this will update the bibliography to put that in double space style. Now, if I'm happy with my changes and I truly want to make a finalized document, I'm first going to save this. And notice the name of the paper. I do have the word draft in here, as well as sample paper, just the name of this particular item. I use this style and naming convention consistently. So I'm going to save this. Great, that's done. And now we're ready to create our document that you could submit. So to do this, I will convert citations and bibliography. I'm going to say convert to plain text. Now, this doesn't mean plain text in the normal way we would say this. This is just stripping the EndNote markers from the document. And when I click this, it's going to make a brand new document. It's going to give us a warning to tell us what's happening. And when we say OK, great, here's our new document. And notice its name. It is named as Document 2. So I'll do a quick save as here. And in this case, I'm going to call this Final. And Sample Paper. I'll say Save. And now I have my document that I could submit to any location, as well as my draft document that I could use to make further edits that I might wish to incorporate.